Prey is abundant on the Busanga Plains. But catching it in the waterlogged swamp is incredibly difficult. The lionesses haven't made a successful kill in days. All three are producing milk. They need to replenish their reserves. Kali splits off from the pride, while Mother and Ani hide the cubs. She heads to a narrow island that sits just above the water table. In winter, grass above the waterline dries out. It's perfect camouflage for a tawny coat. And dry ground is the lechwe's Achilles heel. The long hooves that make them fast in the water slow them down on terra firma. The lioness can clock nearly 40 miles per hour on hard ground, but she can only sprint for 100 yards. She has to close the gap between them before she attacks. Kali's impatient. She closes in too fast. The lechwe uses the head start to bolt for the water. Again, the swamp defeats her.